Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And obviously, to get started, we will want to open up settings. From here, scroll down to General Management, select Reset, and then choose Factory Data Reset. Now in here, it will give you a message that performing this function will basically remove everything from your device, including things like your Google accounts, installed apps, photos, music. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, then you might want to back it up beforehand. Otherwise you will lose it and you won't be able to get it back. Now assuming you have already backed up your device or you simply don't want to, select Reset, delete all, and now the process will begin. Now this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished, we then should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.